We're having trouble getting the hay to dry with the heavy dews that we have in every night. And it sprinkled rain Saturday, while we couldn't do it Saturday, and then the heavy dew every morning. The dew dries off about 12, and then at 5:30 the dew's right back falling. So what we're doing is we're raking it up, and then we're going to turn around and roll the whole windrow over, so the part that's right up under the windrow that don't get raked, so it'll get rolled up off of the ground, break that contact, and try to get air flowing to it too today, so we can maybe get this thing finished up today, so we can move on to the next project. We got the front part finished when we first started. Now we, like I said, we come back here and it ain't quite where we want it, but like I said, we got to do something different, because you can't just keep waiting and waiting and waiting. We had our first frost this morning. That's gonna put a damper on the, we still got probably about 90 more acres of hay that we need to get cut, but the frost is gonna mess some of it up before we have a chance to get to it and get it cut. Hay's not real thick. Finally got the moisture down, raked it up, and then rolled the windrow one time. That way we can get it off of the ground. It seems to be working good now. Running about 13–14% moisture. I can handle that. Drop the bale right here in a hole before it turns over. Move it before it falls over. And we got to tear it up, trying to stand it back up. Dropped that bale out and then rolled, and that hole was about to turn over. So I wanted to pick it up. Just keep flipping over on the side. Then I don't tear the net wrap up trying to get it to stand back up. Alright guys. We've got all the other fields is done. The rest of this field was too wet. About to finish up. We got these last two windrows here, and then we'll be finished on this farm and moving on to the next one. Make sure y'all check us out, follow us on Instagram, leave us a comment, you like the videos, give us a like, just thumbs up them, and we appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all on the next one. It's a good size Baler hay there. Just bringing them out of that little back strip. What time we was coming out. Alright, that's a wrap on this farm. You can't even see the other fields. But that's a wrap. We finished this one up. Now we got 50 more acres to cut for him. 40 acres of ours. And I will be happy when the last bale is made this year, because I'm tired of making hay, y'all. That's a little small piece that I just kicked out the baler when we got finished.